also a female, so ngiyabazi. As
Wait, can I
much as
just ask? Like, can I accept this guy? I want to hear what he's saying.
okay.
What do you want, Victor?
Hi. Sorry to interrupt. Hope everything's good. I just wanted to let you. I don't want to bring personal matters onto like lives and stuff, but I wanted to say, Sibo, thank you so much, bro. I took my mom to hospital, and yeah, she said they said the treatment is going well. So thank you for paying for that, bro. I don't wanna, I don't wanna, I don't want you to worry and stuff. So she just called me now, got off the phone now, said she's getting better and stuff. So
Oh,
thank you
bro,
so much, bro.
bro. You know,
Thank
I
you.
even forgot because I was actually watching the match downstairs because I'm like, I just want to rewind everything. But since mom is actually gonna be okay, I'm even having a smile right now.
Nah,
Literally.
thank you, bro. You don't understand, bro. She really says thank you, man. She hopes we can pay you back some way somehow.
Nah, it's okay. It's okay.
Always, I will talk later, bro. Let me just call her back. Let her know that I told you.
Yeah.
Always, thank you. Bye bye.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That was Victor. He just asked me for some few bucks, because his mom was sick. So I was like, okay, come. How much do you need? It wasn't like that much. I was like, how much was it? It was like 4,000. Yeah, it was like four. It's like I need like 4K right now. I'm like, oh, okay, come, come, come. When do you need it? It's like my mom is sick. I'm like, say less, bro. So my only worry was that will mom be okay? Because I'm a caring person. Like I'm very much caring. Because now I'm like, will mom be okay? I don't care about the money. If bro you need money, like just tell me, call me, you know? Then he was just like joining right now. Cause that's how I jumped. I'm like, oh nah, Victor is here. Because I'm like, his mom is not okay. So since his mom is okay, oh yeah, Victor, you can keep that 4K, bro. It's calm. You don't need to pay me back, bro. It's all yours.
Yes, yeah, yeah. That's
Oh shucks. Yeah, like that's how I am actually. When I like love someone, I really, really love someone. I love you for who you are and what you have and everything. You like guys like that, ne?
yeah. You like a person must be kind. You must have humanity. Help people. Yeah, it's amazing.
Mm.
Yeah. My
I
people
have
are
to make sure that huh?
my people are saying that you are lying.
Is on me, nah? And listen to me. Abantu, yazi Netflix ayo ne? Abantu abala. How many people are on your side?
Somebody is saying that he will be asking the 4K back tomorrow. Imagine.
How many
So
people are watching on your side?
eh?
How many people are
So
watching on your side? Hmm?
uh how do I see that?
Okay,
There's
look at okay. No, don't press anything. Don't press anything. Ne? You see, as we're talking now, ne, at your you see how you end your live, like where you press when you end your live.
yeah.
There are
So
numbers.
oh okay. There are 192. Yeah.
Okay, listen. A whole 192 people. Manje siyi-2 kusasa bazobe bengekho. Ne? So angeke uzwe ngabantu angeke bebekho. So C2 talking about our own things. So most of our father, not I'm lying, I know the truth. I'll show you the receipts, man. Like whenever we meet, like during cuddle. I mean, during talking.
Yeah, as long as you have the evidence, so it's fine. Yeah, then we'll just forget about them, I guess.
So like we believe in cuddle at first date.
Pardon me? First date?
I mean, like do you like I'm a person who's very going through a lot right now. So like I think if for real you care about me, I just want someone who's gonna hold me tight, and not let go of me. So like now I'm just thinking, I'm like, bro, I just need some cuddles, like nothing more. Just like cuddles, man.
So you are clingy, touchy type of a person.
Hmm?
I'm saying that you are clingy or touchy.
No, like I'm just clingy to a person that my like. Have you seen whenever you want something so bad, like my whole body just wants to lean into you like so hard. So like it's more like a safe space to me whenever I like, we're together. So I'm just telling you that, yeah, like I'm going through a lot right now, and cuddles would do, like nothing else. Like you don't like even need to like
Yeah,
like
that's
you know.
okay. I'm also clingy, by the way, so